Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check what iOS you have installed on your iPhone. So first of all, we're going to go to the settings icon right here. If you can't find it, you can always just swipe down from your middle of your screen like so and type in settings until the settings icon appears. Just click on it once. Okay, now we're going to scroll down right here where it says General. Click once. Then the first option says About. Just click once there. And as you can see, we get a lot of information of our phone. The name, it says virus. Don't worry about that. It's just a name I made up. We can see the software version, the model name. In my case, it's an iPhone 13 mini. The model number, the serial number, and when my warranty expires. And you can also check other things such as the amount of songs, videos, photos you have, the applications you have installed, the capacity of your iPhone, and how much is available. And you can get a lot more information if you keep scrolling down. So if you want to go back to your home screen, just swipe up from the bottom of your screen like so. And that's it. I hope this was helpful, guys. Please stay tuned for more episodes and please like and subscribe.